We've just vacated from our studio in town. Currently everyone is working up on the new mezzanine that we put in up there, but the master plan is to move everyone in there to a new studio space, an office over the other side overlooking the countryside, which we'll go and have a look at. The plan in here is this is going to be our finishing bay, our new finishing bay. We're going to put a heated spray booth in here. This will all be gone. We're opening the other side up for more storage. This bit here, Freya, if we have a quick look in here, sorry about the mess, but this is currently where we store finished stuff. So it's humidity controlled. This is where we keep finished furniture between sort of 40 and 50 degrees humidity, so that it's in a good condition when it goes to site. So the master plan here is, the steels have just gone in over the weekend. This will be a new front door where we come in, stairs up to the top where we'll have our new studio and office space. Down here we'll have like toilets, showers. We're going to put a small gym in here for all of our team to use. And then anything this side of that will be, this will be storage, double height storage. And then everything up the top will be office, studio space, show kitchen, samples, meeting room. And just an all-round cool studio space.